I am at the Ralph Gratz residence to do a repair attempt video. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this wind damaged 3-tap shingle. It's written up as a wind damaged shingle without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm gonna start by making sure this shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Now I'm gonna take this roofing snake and I'm gonna remove the wind damaged shingle from the decking. Okay, I've got the shingle out. Now I'm gonna put it right back in where it was, and I'm gonna fasten it to the decking using an 1.25 inch roofing nail per code. That's what we use, and this roofing snake. Shingles back in, secure. So in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. And take a look at the shingle above it. Looks like we got granule loss at the start of a crease here, granule loss here, granule loss here. This one's not so bad, but this is 2 shingles. This is 2 shingles. So now 2 shingles have been damaged in this repair attempt, deeming this roof irreparable.